I would put Boston up with any other urban fishery in the world as one of the best. Having the very best at your disposal is essential. It's at least always in the back of your mind. You want to pay attention to all conditions. You want to make sure you have proper safety equipment in case anything goes wrong. Having great electronics, especially, if you're navigating through fog or any sort of difficult condition, you want to make sure that you can do it as safely as possible. You have people's lives in your hands. I hit transmit, and within seconds you're going to see it displaying what's going on. There is no warm-up period, there's no 45-second wait. You don't have to come down off plane and get nervous. You just hit transmit, and there it is. Sometimes you look at radar as just being a safety device. I hit a fog bank, or I'm running out early morning or late at night. As the Halo system came out, now I use it as a fish finding device. Now I can spin it up to bird mode and actually find where birds are in the harbor. If I know there was a spot that was active yesterday, I can zoom the radar out to that. If I see a few boats sitting there, I know that that bite's likely happening again today. So now it's a fish finding tool as well. Well, it's as simple as hitting a couple buttons and you can switch from bird mode to a harbor mode. The advantage of the harbor mode is that the dome actually spins faster, so that you can pick up targets that are moving. If a speedboat's coming towards you or something like that, you're going to be able to track its velocity and how dangerous it is much better. When you buy a radar to use as a safety device, you're going to use it a few times a year. When you use it as a fish finding tool, you use it almost every time you go out. Other than rods, reels, and a good motor, it's the most important thing on the boat.